8 legitimate ways to make money on the side in 2023. Many people have side gigs because they want to earn a little extra money, but it's not always easy to find a side hustle that's both feasible and profitable. In fact, many side job opportunities out there are either too time-consuming or don't earn you enough money to make them worth your while. However, that doesn't mean all side jobs are bad propositions. There are plenty of legitimate ways to make money on the side in 2023 if you know where to look. Check out these side job ideas for some great ways to start earning cash outside of your 9-to-5 workday. Tasking apps. If you have particular skills that you can use to earn a little extra money on the side, tasking apps might be a good option for you. TaskRabbit is a great example of one such app. You can use TaskRabbit to find freelance opportunities in your area, and then you can complete them in your spare time. Some of these opportunities might not be traditional jobs. For example, you might earn money for assembling furniture or trying out new restaurants. There are plenty of options available, and you can earn up to $30 an hour based on the type of work you choose. Another tasking app that is growing in popularity is called Jigwalk. With Jigwalk, you use your smartphone to scan products, take pictures, and collect data, and then you get paid for the work. Jigwalk can be a great way to earn some extra money on the side while helping companies collect data. Blogging. Blogging is a great side job because it doesn't require a lot of time and it can be very lucrative. As an added bonus, blogging can also be a great way to build authority and become a leader in your industry if you do it long enough. There are several ways to make money blogging, including affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling your own products or services. It can take time to build up an audience, but once you do, you can make thousands of dollars a month from blogging. There are dozens of blogging platforms you can use to get started, including WordPress, Squarespace, and Blogger. If you want to become a professional blogger, you'll need to build up a sizable audience. You can find ways to grow your blog's readership by researching topics that are in demand, using SEO-friendly content, and finding creative ways to get your content in front of potential readers, such as guest posting or building relationships with other influencers. Dropshipping. If you enjoy online shopping, you can earn some extra money by becoming a dropshipper. A dropshipper purchases products in bulk and then resells them at a lower price, keeping the profit. You can sell these items on your own website or on sites like eBay and Amazon. A word of caution: becoming a dropshipper can be risky because if you buy items that don't sell, you'll have to pay for them. There are also some scams associated with this business model that can make it even riskier. Write and sell eBooks. If you have expertise in a certain area, you can write and sell eBooks on platforms like Kindle or CreateSpace, or on your own website. Becoming an author is another way to make money blogging, and it's something that can be done on the side. You can write fiction or non-fiction books, and you'll need to decide which one would be more profitable. Once you write your book, you could try to get it published by a publisher or sell it as an ebook on your own website. This can be a very lucrative side hustle, but it does require patience and persistence, since you won't get paid until someone purchases your book. Become an expert. If you have a skill that is in high demand, you can become an expert in the field and earn some extra money. You can use your expertise to give presentations at conferences or host webinars and earn money from those engagements. You can also sign up to become a paid expert for companies or organizations. You can use an expert network to connect with these organizations and get paid for your expertise. Sites like this include Experscape and Wisely. An expert network is like a dating site for experts. You create a profile and then organizations and companies can reach out to you and ask if you'd be interested in working with them. Network marketing. If you have a particular skill that makes you money, you can use it to start a network marketing business. Network marketing is a type of business in which you become a salesperson for a company. You earn money by recruiting other people to sell the same products or services, and then you get a portion of their sales. There are a lot of different network marketing companies you can join, but you should be careful when selecting a company to work with. Make sure that the company is legitimate and that the product or service is something you can ethically promote. You can also start your own network marketing company, although this takes more time and money to get started. Become an online tutor. If you have a subject that you are particularly knowledgeable about, you can become an online tutor and make money while you're at home. You can teach students in just about any subject, including math, science, history, and English. There are a few ways to find online tutoring jobs, including signing up with an online teaching platform like tutor.com or care.com. There are tons of different websites you can use to find online tutoring jobs, and you can earn up to $40 per hour teaching. Take paid surveys. You can make money taking surveys when you're not working at your day job. Some paid survey sites are legitimate, but others are scams. You can find legitimate survey sites by reviewing review sites and reading reviews from current survey takers. You can also look at sites' payment policies to see how long you'll have to wait to collect your earnings. Depending on which site you choose, you can earn a few dollars every month up to several $100s a month taking surveys. Side jobs are great for earning extra money for short-term expenses like repaying a debt or saving up for a big purchase. They are also a good way to build up your savings account, as you can put any extra money you earn into a savings account to use when you need it. Finding a side job that pays well is not easy, but it can be well worth it if it means you can pay off debt faster or have more money in your savings account when you need it. Before you go looking for a side job, make sure you understand your full responsibilities at work, as you don't want to overextend yourself and make things difficult on your employer. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.